fine. So
Okay, we're back here. I got out.
oh, okay, we back. So it's 28 degrees right now.
And it feels like 40.
The National Weather Service has a winter weather advisory for Green
Yo,
County.
look at this. You can see on my screen. You can see the pixels now because it zooms in with the droplets.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Crazy.
Crazy. We're learning all these new things. That's what the snow teaches you.
The snow.
Lessons from the snow. We should write a book. We should make a movie. We are making a movie.
This is a movie. Killer Bean Part 2. Or
Put Killer Bean on him?
just take on that mob back there.
Hey, Killer Bean. You don't want to stand a chance. This is still hard stuff. It's just crazy how light it is.
Yeah. Yeah, like you can see the clouds. Usually, well, okay.
Oh, that actually looks insane. And you can see it on my camera too. My camera actually captures it.
Dude, look at how fast it's
Look at this,
moving.
look at this, look at
Can you
this.
see? Oh my gosh. Dude, that honestly
This
looks
is a
like,
good camera.
that looks like smoke fire almost.
I know, these are storm clouds.
It's not, guys. And all the viewers back home, that is not smoke fire. That is snow up there. I should be
Say
a
that
weather.
again?
That is snow, baby. No, I'm not a weatherman, but I can at least get that right.
Oh, now we're at a parking lot.
Dude, everyone that's gonna watch this later, they're gonna like tally how many I've made and how many I've missed. But it's fine. It doesn't matter.
It's gonna be easy for him because you made them all.
Good point. It's just a matter of perspective and your attitude towards the shot.
You miss all the shots you never take.
Good. Michael Scott said that. That's deep
Michael
right
Scott?
there. Michael Scott, he spoke from the heart, man.
I don't even know.
Dude, is that like a sewer thing? That looks like a Ritz cracker, like just kind of imprinted. Have you seen a Ritz cracker?
I have.
Doesn't it look like it's definitely a Ritz
I
cracker?
found where we should have been adventure number 2.
Let's leave our mark. Making a cross, baby. Oh gosh, I didn't mean to push in. Beautiful! There we go.
That's the kind of rich crackers they should sell.
Oh yeah, man. Where are we?
Is that where we are? Cedar Cliff High School.
Oh, okay. Cool.
We start walking left. Alfred is that way. Hopefully, start walking left here.
Okay.
Or there's a path there. Hard to tell where the paths are.
Oh, my phone's over there.
This is a road actually, so more of a driveway.
Dude, I didn't even know that this was a road.
I mean, there's tire tracks.
Oh.
Also, to our viewers, look at those clouds. Going back home.
Oh, we have such a big brain.
Thank you.
Well, no, like being able to point out that those are clouds. I'm sorry, I should have given specific. This is the portion of the video he edits out. Because it's silence, and that's not what YouTube wants.
They want
Content. They want content.
and Calvin knows about content.
Oh, I know all about content. 0123 Cal Jam. Go subscribe right now.
Another one. No, I watched his videos when he went to Kroger.
Oh, yeah.
Let me tell you, that's some quality content.
Oh, yes. Going through
Oh, the zoo?
Oh, the zoo. It was a good place. It was a good place. Mm-hmm. Dude, what's this building? It's the
It's
Dollar
Apple. It's the
It
Doge.
is Apple, yeah.
The Doge.
The Dollar General. You see how they made that name? Because, like, Dollar General. There's a D and an O and a G and an E. The D-O-G-E. Oh. Doge. D-O-G-E. That's how they did it. Dude, we are so
The
big.
more you know.
The more you know with Willem and Calvin. Dude, both of
Oh,
our
those
names.
clouds.
Dude, those are like the ones we saw right over here earlier. It's like the...
You know the dark stuff? I don't think it's a cloud. I think it's the absence of a cloud.
Yeah. Well, or it could be like...
And those look at our footprints. That's kind of funny. You can see all the places we stopped.
Yeah. Shoot, someone's following us. Someone's already been here. Okay, honestly though,
We should use some tracking skills. We should follow who this person is.
I mean, well, no, this is suspicious. Where'd they go?
Whoa!
Oh, they went into the road. Okay. Dude, I thought they got like beamed up by a UFO or
They
something.
probably didn't get hit here. Okay.
They probably didn't get here. But you shouldn't make an assumption, Willem. They could have just kept on walking.
We should follow this. Now
know
look
what
like
we're
we're
not
gonna.
gonna do?
That car's on, so it's probably really awkward if they think we're still going up to them. So let's
And
not do
I
that.
just made a snowball, so it looks like it's about to. Now that would actually be vandalism.
Now, what is
folks.
this person doing? They walked out those doors, right? Where were they going?
No clue.
Legit now. They walked out of Apple, right?
Maybe they live over here. Maybe they were taking. Maybe they had to go pee and it was an emergency, and so they went at.
Then
the
why did they go
street.
at Apple? This is
Oh,
actually
we got water, man. I'm just
okay.
kidding.
They
We're legit detectives
stop
here.
here.
Actually, what? Did they
Are
actually
those
turn
and
around?
those the same? Why would they just walk here and turn around? Maybe they wanted to see how much snow is on the road. That's actually quite a bit
Hopefully,
of snow.
the person that has seen this, hopefully,
This car.
If this is you, contact us immediately. We need to know. That's the police, actually. Run. No. Okay.
Nothing to see here. Okay, let's follow these back.
So now, the next group that does this will see all three of these tracks and be like, okay, one was following, or two were following the other, and
Okay, we're back up on the hard stuff. Watch this just end up in a circle.
dude,
That would actually be
actually be crazy.
we should practice our tracking skills.
Okay, is longer curfew actually midnight or 1?
What time is it?
It's 11:50.
It's 1. On the weekends.
You sure?
You want to look it up?
No, my phone is wet, and it's an iPhone 5.
Calvin?
Yes. Dude,
What the heck?
dude, what is that car doing now?
No, wait. Hold up. Calvin. These tracks literally went in a circle.
Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you?
Do you want to go?
Yeah.
Should we go back?
No.
What did they do? Calvin, what makes somebody do this?
Boom.
Calvin, I'm so confused. Legit. It looked like I might have stopped at the road where they dropped off and they just came back.
Perhaps they got in a cab and that was a different person. Either that or
No, but these tracks circled back. This is a circular path.
we assumed that they didn't cross the street. There could have been
How would
two
they
separate
cross
tracks.
over here and then recross the street at the exact same spot?
I'm saying they could have been two different. Good point. Dude, this is like crazy.
Should we go back
Shoot.
over?
It's a biker gang.
Here, we're pausing this to see when curfew is.